Mr. President of the Senate, distinguished colleagues, my name is Kamarudin Olalere Oyewumi. I represent the good people of Osun West Senatorial District in Osun State. Mr. President, I rise to strongly support and second the motion moved by the President of the Senate on the establishment of the Federal University of Agriculture and Tropical Studies, Ragbiji, Osun State. Mr. President, in tune with the realities of our modern time, on the concentration on specialized institutions, and Osun State being in a very fertile soil, where all type of crops are grown in large and commercial quantities, it will help not only Osun State but the entire country very well if this kind of specialized institution is cited in Osun State as a training ground for the modern day agriculturists and then agricultural officers, extension officers that are going to help our farmers in their day-to-day operations. So this is going to help us a lot in the country. And one of the agitation now is that people should go back to the land. I don't want to go back to the hoes and cutlass type of farming. We want to modernize. And here, training and retraining is the thing of the moment. So I want to strongly support this motion and urge our colleagues to support us so that this very important institution may be cited in Osun State. I so second. Thank you, Mr. President.
Deputy Senate President.